Welcome, today I'll show you how to disable quick launch into a Poco X4 GT. Firstly, open your settings, scroll down and find additional settings. Go into, here choose Gangster Shortcuts option, and now for example I want to turn off launch camera option, so go into this option, and for turn off for example this one, double press the power key, need deactivate this switcher. So this position like blue, it's activate this option, and if we press one more time this position gray, it's turn off this option, and turn off this option too, and click back for saving. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.